Yes, children, as per your request, I am giving you a few numericals to make you understand the laws of chemical combination. Okay, so we will see first how to prove the law of multiple proportion using the given data. So the question is, carbon forms two oxides which contain 42.9% and 27.3% of carbon respectively, and you have to prove the law of multiple proportion. Now here what he has given, you see, first oxide and the second oxide. First oxide you are having carbon 42.9% and in the second oxide you are having 27.3%. So what will be the percentage of oxygen? It is forming oxide. Okay, so carbon and oxygen both are there. If carbon is occupying 42.9, oxygen will be occupying 100 minus 42.9, that will be 57.1%. Same way in the second case, this would be 72.7, that is 100 minus 27.3. So that will be the percentage of oxygen and that of carbon. Okay, now from the data, what we are going to do, we will see now 57.1 gram of oxygen, it is combining with 42.9 gram of carbon. Therefore 1 gram of oxygen will combine with how much of carbon? So that will be 1 into 42.9 upon 57.1. 1 into 42.9 upon 57.1, and this is giving you 0.751 gram. So this much of carbon will combine with 1 gram of oxygen. Same way, come to the second case. This is your first case. Come to the second case. It is given that 72.7 gram of oxygen is combining with 27.3 gram of carbon. Therefore 1 gram of oxygen will combine with how much? That is 1 into 27.3 by 72.7. This is coming out to be 0.376 gram. This is what you are getting. Now what you have to do according to law of multiple proportion, you have standardized the amount of oxygen to 1 gram in both the cases, and the amount of carbon you have got 0.751 and 0.376, and you have to show that these two are in a simple ratio. That is carbon in first oxide ratio carbon in second oxide. That is what you have to do. That is 0.751 is to 0.376, which is approximately 2:1. Thus the law proved. That's all. Okay. So this is how you will proceed with the numerical. Now let us see one more question. Now here I have given two oxides of a metal were separately heated in a current of hydrogen until constant weights were obtained. That is, hydrogen पूरा react कर चुका है, and water produced in each case was collected and weighed, and it was found that 2 gram of each oxide gave this much of water and the other oxide gave this much of water. And again you have to prove the same law. So now here two oxides of a metal are separately heated in a current of hydrogen. Now let me give you an example, that say the oxide of a metal be MO, and when it is heated in the presence of hydrogen, you will get metal plus water. Okay, so this kind of an equation you have already studied in 10th class also, so you must be knowing. Now what he has given, he has given 2 gram of this oxide. It gave this much of water. This is say first oxide, and the second oxide उसका भी 2 ग्राम है. फर्स्ट ऑक्साइड कितना दे रहा है? 0.2517 gram of water there. Our second oxide, it is giving you 0.4526 gram of water. This is given to you. Now, you know very well, water, its molecular mass is 18. Now, 18 gram of water has 16 gram of oxygen in it. 18 कैसे? 2 plus 16 है ना? So 18 gram of water contains 16 gram of oxygen. And he has given you this much of water and this much of water are obtained. So what you have to do, if, let us see the first case now. 18 gram of water gives 16 gram of oxygen. Therefore, 0.2517 gram of water will give you how much? So that is 0.2517 into 16 upon 18. Now this has been found to be 0.2237 gram. So 0.2517 gram of water में 0.2237 gram of oxygen है. Now come to the second oxide. Second oxide again the same way. 18 gram of water contains 16 gram of oxygen and 0.4526 gram of water will contain 0.4526 into 16 upon 18. That is giving you 0.4023 gram. Okay, so this is the amount of oxygen in both the cases. Now you again come to the oxide of a metal. He has given 2 gram of metal oxide and you have found out the amount of oxygen in each case, that is 0.2237 and 0.4023. So first oxide, when you consider you have now 2 gram of oxide. Oxide is 2 gram and oxygen is 0.2237. So what is that of metal? This is weight of oxide, weight of oxygen, weight of metal. Weight of metal कितनी होगी? 2 minus 0.2237. That will be 1.7763 gram. Now same way second one, second oxide. This is second oxide, 2 gram and this is 0.4023 oxygen का. तो मेटल कितना होगा? 2 minus 0.4023. That will be 1.5977 gram. ये आ गया. ठीक है. Now again what you have to do? This is that of metal and this is of oxygen. Okay, so you have to standardize with respect to 1 gram. Either you take in terms of metal or you take in terms of oxygen. Anything is okay. So if you take that 1.7763 gram of metal, it reacts with 0.2237 gram of oxygen. Therefore, 1 gram of metal will react with how much? That is 1 into 0.2237 by 1.7763. Or if you want to take in terms of oxygen, then it will be just the reverse. Any way you can do. Same way, this is with respect to first oxide, then with respect to second oxide it would be 1.5977 gram of metal is attached to 0.4023 gram of oxygen. Therefore, 1 gram of metal will be containing 1 into 0.4023 upon 1.5977. So here whatever answer you will get, say this is X and this is Y. This is with respect to 1 gram of metal, amount of oxygen. This Y gram of oxygen is with respect to again 1 gram of the second metal oxide. So you have to find out what is the ratio X is to Y. you have to find out this, and you will find that this ratio is a simple one. That is what you have to prove, right?